Hello guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Victoria. Students of Biochemistry Information. In today's video, I'll be talking about the CPU.
Central Processing Unit. The Central Processing Unit is the computer component that's responsible for interpreting and executing most of the commands from the computer's other hardware and software. The types of devices that use CPUs. All sorts of devices use a CPU, including a desktop, laptop, and tablet computers, smartphones, even your flat screen television set. Intel and AMD are the two most popular CPU manufacturers for desktops, laptops, and servers, while Apple, NVIDIA, and Qualcomm are big smartphone and tablet CPU makers. You may see many different names used to describe the CPU, including processor, computer processor, microprocessor, central processor, and the brains of the computer. What a CPU looks like and where it's located. A modern CPU is usually small and square, with many short, rounded metallic connectors on its underside. Some older CPUs have pins instead of metallic connectors. The CPU attaches directly to a CPU socket, which is sometimes called a slot, on the motherboard. The CPU is inserted into the socket pin side down, and a small lever helps to secure the processor. Not all CPUs have pins on their bottom sides, but in the ones that do, the pins are easily bent. Take great care when handling, especially when you are installing them into the motherboard. CPU clock speed. The clock speed of a processor is the number of instructions it can process in any given second, measured in gigahertz. For example, a CPU has a clock speed of 1 Hz. If it can process one piece of instruction every second. Let's look at more examples. A CPU with a clock speed of 3.0 GHz can process 3 billion instructions each second. The CPU cores. Some devices use a single core processor, while others may have a dual core or quad core or more processors. Running two processor units working side by side means that a CPU can simultaneously manage twice the instructions every second, drastically improving performance. Some CPUs can virtualize two cores for every one physical core that's available, a technique known as hyper-threading. Virtualizing means that a CPU with only 4 cores can function as if it has 8, with the additional virtual CPU cores referred to as separate threads. Physical cores, though, do perform better than virtual ones. CPU permitting some applications can use what's called multi-threading. If a thread is understood as a single piece of a computer process, then using multiple threads in a single CPU core means more instructions can be understood and processed at once. Some software can take advantage of this feature on more than one CPU core, which means that even more instructions can be processed simultaneously.
Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.